What I want to show you now is some of the techniques that we use, the same scratch techniques but applied in the beat team ensemble that we have at DJ School. Basically, if you see me, I'm just scrolling down here to find these KD-SN132, KD-SN32 bars MPC. It's a ridiculous name, but basically all it is a very simple drum pattern. I can manipulate those drums one kick drum at a time, so I could play one kick drum every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do the same with a snare drum on the 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully those of you who've ever been in a drum circle or on an ensemble before can see how using these basic scratch techniques, especially the forward scratch where you only hear the sound forward, you can start to build up a rhythm with one person playing the kick and one person playing the snare. If you get good at this, one person can actually do the kick and the snare. This is how we build up rhythms. We then have other people add bass lines, we have other people add scratch sounds, we have other people add vocals. This is how we build up the songs in the beat team ensemble.